Sound is made up of waves, much like light, and we know a lot about light colors. On lower wavelengths of light, we have more red frequency, and on higher wavelengths, we have more bluish and violet frequencies. So in much the same way, sound can be described with colors based on the distribution of sound. What we're trying to do with this research is to stimulate or boost slow wave sleep, which is one form of deep sleep. And pink noise mirrors the types of frequencies seen in that stage of sleep. We found that in older adults, we can enhance their slow waves, and that they have better memory recall after sleep when they got the sounds versus after sleep if they did not get the sounds.